What is up, guys? My name is Ebenezer Frimpong and welcome back to the channel. Well, today's video is actually in a format that I'm not used to and you guys aren't used to. I've never actually filmed in vlogging format, but I just got a new camera. It's actually one of the most popular cameras on YouTube. A lot of people use this camera in a bunch of different niches across YouTube, whether it's vlog channels, prank channels, whatever. This is the standard camera, I guess, for YouTube. So I recently just got that. And I'm gonna be doing more vlog style videos, maybe. We'll see. But today I'm actually, as you guys can see, well, right now I'm in the bathroom. I don't know why I chose to film in the bathroom, but I'm in the bathroom. Today I'm actually not in my office. I'm not back at home filming. I'm actually in New York for Ecomvention. If you don't know what Ecomvention is, it's a new e-commerce convention that Mark Bamberger founded. I'll drop his Instagram right down here or in the description somewhere. But I'm excited to be here. I actually don't really have a topic for this video yet, but I think I do. I think I'm gonna end up talking about, why you should probably, stop watching my YouTube videos, and not just my YouTube videos, every YouTube entrepreneur channel in the first place. That's what I'm gonna talk about. But before that, let's head downstairs and let's see if any of the speakers are here for Ecomvention, and let's see if anyone else is here. So let's go downstairs. Let me grab my phone and bring you guys along. Let's go. Before it's focused, boom. Wait for these elevators to open. Come on. Okay, I don't know if anyone else is gonna be down here already, but we'll see. Earlier today, right? So my flight actually got here early, and I ended up waiting about 3 hours to check in. Looking for Mark. Wait. No. Hello. Ah, there they are.
No, like try to get out of your seat.
Hey, say what's up.
What's going on, guys?
You did it right. You didn't try. You just got it.
Awesome. Hey, this is Mark right here. Mark is the one who put Ecomvention together. Right?
Sir.
A lot of people flew in just
all over the world.
All
Germany,
over.
London,
Canada. A lot of people flew in just for this event. And I think Daniel here is actually one of the speakers.
Yeah, Jose.
What's up, man? How you doing? We shut it up. What are we doing?
Okay, so this video, I think I'm just talking about why people should stop watching my channel and everyone's channel to begin with, right? Because I'm also in e-commerce, right?
Nice.
I get a lot of people who email me, DM me, and they're like, I just keep watching videos, right? And they don't take action. What's one thing you can say to them?
Yeah. Here's the deal. Flip the camera. Are we recording?
Yep, we're recording.
Okay, tell me we're recording. Here's the deal, okay? Most people in life have a tendency to want to take like perfect action. So here's the deal. This is what they do. They're like, let me follow this guru. Let me follow this guru. You got to move down the camera a bit because I'm like 4'5". So here's the deal. Here's my advice to you, okay? Stop being so indecisive. Number one, get decisive. What do you mean, Dan? Getting decisive means your life doesn't happen by accident, by circumstances, which are typically negative. You get intentful about what you're doing. So the easiest way to become decisive is the moment you wake up out of bed, instead of being like, I'm gonna work out in the morning, be like, I'm gonna work out at 8:30. The moment you see your shirt, be like, I'm picking the red shirt. So you're making decisions under 30 seconds. Here's the deal. When there's a big decision to be made, your brain can't recognize from the small decision to the big decision, so it makes the decision really quick. The reason why I'm saying this is because most people have to take imperfect action and then course correct. I just landed in New York, check this out. I landed at LaGuardia Airport, actually JFK. If I'm like, I'm driving straight, I wanna have the most perfect drive to LaGuardia Hotel. I wanna have the most perfect drive. I would hit, if my steering wheel was perfect, I would hit into a pole. I can't have the most perfect drive. There's bends, there's turns in the road. Same thing in life, same thing in business, right? Same thing. So when there's things in the road, I gotta course correct throughout the year. You gotta course correct, take imperfect action. Don't be so indecisive, get decisive, make the actions quick, under 30 seconds, so when the big things come up, you're like, dude, I can tackle it right away. Wow.
That's definitely true, and that's part of the reason why.
Yeah, come back.
That's part of the reason why Mark Zuckerberg actually wears the same shirts, right?
Oh, I thought you were talking about me. Yeah, it's simple.
Yeah.
Like, dude.
A lot of CEOs.
One thing in the morning. If I was speaking at the Ecomvention, I would wear this shirt every day. This Gucci shirt. But I'm not speaking at the Ecomvention every day.
Oh, you're not speaking today?
I'm speaking.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. All right, who else is here? Do you
Justin Wool, we got a whole team there. Justin Wool's there. Yeah, Daniel's the guy that you follow him, right?
Yeah, I follow Daniel.
He's awesome.
How you guys doing? Are you guys here for Ecomvention? Yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
What up, Ecomvention?
Hey, say hi. All of you guys have stores?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yo, where are you guys from? You're from Germany? So you came all the way from Germany?
I went with Justin, yeah.
Dope.
Raised Jersey, Georgia, born and raised.
That's funny.
You guys gotta come here tomorrow. If you're not here tomorrow, you're missing out completely. Honestly, value.
You heard him?
On value. You gotta be here tomorrow.
Thank you guys for being in the vlog, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's piggyback on what Daniel was saying earlier, as in, you know, you have to make decisions very quickly, right? I get a ton of DMs of people saying, you know, all I do is watch videos. I haven't built a store, or maybe they have built a store and they won't launch it because they feel like they don't know enough. If everyone decides to sit there and learn before they launch the store, you're never going to launch your store, right? Once I get back upstairs, I'll talk about it even further.
I'm back in my room. I'm gonna continue filming here because the lighting is a lot better here. Out there, garbage. So what I was saying was, there's been multiple times where people have reached out to me and they're like, you know, I haven't built my store yet. I just want to learn as much as possible before launching my store. I don't want to fail, right? People are so scared to fail that they get stuck in this cycle of just watching. Maybe it's my channel, maybe it's another YouTuber's channel. All you're doing is just consuming content, right? That's all you're gonna, no matter how many courses you buy, no matter how many mentorships you buy, no one can do the work for you. No matter all the knowledge you consume in the world, no one can go out and do the work for you. You're going to have to put in the work yourself. You're going to have to take action. And if you fail, that's good. Failure is the best teacher, right? When you fail, you say, instead of saying, oh, I failed, I'm done, I'm never doing this again. No. When you fail, you take a step back and say, okay, cool. Now I know what not to do. You learn from those failures. You learn from those mistakes, and you take those mistakes, those things you learned, and you take it into your next store, right? The very first Shopify store I built looked like complete shit, right? Now, and it took me forever to put that site together, right? It took me hours. I think it took over two or 3 days to put that site together. And it was complete, absolute shit, right? Now, I could put together a great site within hours, right? I could have a store built today, very quickly, right? I've mastered that, right? That's what you need to understand. You have to fail to learn. It's okay to fail. From now on, if you DM me and you tell me, hey, you know, I'm afraid, I don't wanna waste my money, I don't wanna fail, you know, I just wanna learn as much as possible, I'm going to read your message and leave you on red, right? Because it's a terrible mind state to be in, and if I don't leave you on red, I'm probably just gonna send you this video, because I can't, no one can, no matter what I tell you, I can't do the work for you. No matter how many videos you watch, I can't do the work for you. You're going to have to go out there, create your Shopify store, do your own product research. You're going to have to do the work. No one's gonna do it for you, okay? All the people you watch on YouTube, from me to Ari, to Old Visions, to Marco, to whatever entrepreneur you watch on YouTube, it does not matter. None of us had someone doing the work for us at all. You know, we make our own failures. We fail, we learn, we move on, right? Failure is the key to success, honestly. Actually, that right there is good. I might put it on a shirt. Failure is the key to success. Every single person that's successful has failed. Thomas Edison, you know, I think he made over 1,000+ light bulbs. And instead of saying, you know, I'm done, I quit, and he told himself, you know, I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work. and moved on to the journey. Now, one thing I do want to tell you though is stick to one thing. Right? I see people hopping from business model to business model, from traffic source to traffic source. Right? If you want to learn Facebook, if Facebook ads is what you want to learn, go learn Facebook ads. Stick to that. If Google ads is what you want to learn, go learn Google ads and stick to that. That's it. Right? Stop going back and forth and saying, oh, so and saying, oh, you know, this worked for this person, so now let me quit what I'm doing now and go try that. No, stick to one person and follow that straight path. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're gonna be at Ecomvention tomorrow's Sunday. Yeah, if you're gonna be at Ecomvention tomorrow and you see me, say hi, and I'll see you guys later.
Pull out the Lambos, we bout have a race. I put on the seatbelt in case. Like future my diamonds, they jump out the face. Can't even seek in His grace. Get some sun rock, we just put up the ace. Stars in the roof of the rain. Praying to God, yeah, I'm keeping my faith. You don't wanna get out of place. Making this money, I just keep going. Not gonna stop till my bank overflowing.